Alright, yo, we're coming back at you with another dumpster diving video. Sorry about the wind, it's really windy today. So we got a bike here. We're in the weld area again. We got a bike, some golf clubs, some spouting. Looks like a chair or something down there. I don't know if that's any good. I know somebody that might want it though. I might try to save these. So I see back here, there might be other stuff up in front of this, but we'll throw all this stuff in the truck real quick. We got this little thing here, some aluminum, some wire. I don't know what that is. That looks like about it for this one. Unless I pull them door handles off. On to the next one. It looks like we got a lonely little dishwasher sitting here. Stainless steel. It's okay, dishwasher. We're gonna get you to your other little dishwasher friends soon. Alright, yeah, it looks like we got some tables and chairs and stuff. It's funny, no parking. Boom. Car. Oh well, we'll work around it. I was here last time I was. Just trying to fold this up so it don't take up as much room. I don't know, it's kind of, that one's actually kind of solid. Let's see, what kind of screws do you take? That's an Allen. Man, there's so many screws on this one. There we go. Alright, yeah, it looks like we got like a satellite dish here. We got a chair we might be able to take apart. Looks like there's a fridge that's cut in half or something. Oh, I don't really know where to go with this. Oh, this is really nasty, dude. Oh, fire pit or something. I'm gonna tie my boots to this. So if anyone's never seen a fridge cut in half before, this is what is inside of them pretty much. It's just some really thin metal, and then there's this like foam insulation crap inside of them. There's not really much to them, you know. I'm gathering they cut this out to make it easier to get it outside. Some of these apartments look pretty tight. Oh, where am I gonna? I don't know if that's really gonna work. It's really windy today. There we go. Now I should be able to get it to fit better. That might work. If that was whole, there's no way I'd be able to haul it with what I got on there right now. So it's good they did cut it in half. Oh, there's the other part of the fridge, or some of it anyway. There's a door. And here's the sealed unit part of the fridge. I don't know where the other part is. It's probably somewhere buried in here. That should do. It's about time to go find a junkyard to unload this stuff at. It's getting pretty full, man. See if I can get this chair thing here, maybe. Looks like I'll need the impact gun or some wrenches. Or both. Or both. So I guess we'll go do that. Alright, yeah, so we got our recliner thing off. Now we're gonna go hopefully try to find a spot on the truck for it. And it's looking like we're probably gonna have to go unload. It's not like a whole heavy load, but it's just all this random stuff. It's kind of not really much more room for anything else. I mean, I might check the next apartment place, see if I can stuff some bed rails or something in here, but we're pretty full, man. That's kind of the problem with taking the welding rig. With that generator there and all these toolboxes on the side, I don't really have a whole lot of room. But yeah, it's less expensive to take the rig down here than take the rig and the trailer. So yeah, hopefully we'll have the Toyota back soon, so won't have to worry about this. Alright, yeah, we got a small open top here. Looks like we got some conduit and some wire and stuff. Most of this stuff's usually aluminum. seems to be about everything in this one. Do it. Alright, yo, so we went and unloaded all that sketchy stuff. Now we're back here looking for some more. Looks like we got some. We got some parts to a bed and a chair, it looks like. Well, this dumpster kind of smells, so I'm gonna try to be kind of quick. We still have all the non-ferrous that we picked up last time, but we got rid of all the steel. Looks like they need some grease or something in that. Now it's time to take the bottom off of this chair. Actually, I might put this back together, use it as an office chair. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's actually a pretty decent chair. It just broke right there. So yeah, we're gonna save this stuff. Throw this stuff in the truck maybe. Make this an office chair. Alright, yeah, it's lucky we put that chair in the truck because it's now raining. Looks like we got some metal here. Another chair. Getting a lot of these chairs today. Yeah, we got another chair. We got some metal here we can take off. So yeah, I'm gonna get my sweatshirt on, get this stuff apart, and load her up. So now we got all that apart, so we can just throw it in the bed of the truck now. It's really crazy how many people don't care about their trash and stuff. Like, all this stuff could go in the compactor. It cost this company about, you know, $30 a ton to get rid of, $60 a ton or whatever. They throw it there, it costs like $400 a ton to get rid of that stuff. But I don't live here, so that ain't my problem. But yeah, this is crazy, man. Alright, yo, looks like we got another one of these chairs. I don't know what's up with these things, man. Everybody's getting rid of their chairs. Looks like there might be something over there too on the other side of them couches. I'm not sure. I'll check that out here in a bit. Now I'll see what that other thing is. It's like some sort of car part, maybe. I don't know if it's metal though, it might be plastic. Yeah, it's plastic. I don't want that. Alright, time to get out of here. Oh, there's some metal here. Not a whole lot, but I'll take it. Looks like we got something here. Is that a printer or something? Not really much metal on that part, so that stuff can stay. And I'll take this. And sometimes if you get these out of here, go to Staples or something, they give you a store credit for them. So yeah, sometimes I still pull these out. It's a bit heavy. some metal in here. Going in. Got some of it out. Gotta be real careful in here. This stuff just breaks up as soon as you step on it. I don't know how much of this I can get out. We're gonna try. Try to get some of it anyway. Can't really get that stuff. Maybe move over here to this. There we go. All the good stuff's buried, man. Gotta get out of here before I cut my legs. Move over this way, maybe. Kind of got interrupted there on the cell phone. Some guys calling me. We're trying to get a dive team set up. Gonna start pulling cars out of the waters. So if you want to see something like that, we're trying to do it more for scrap metal than finding bodies. So yeah, hopefully you'll see some of that here on this channel. I already got my certifications for scuba, but yeah, I'm trying to find people, possibly a boat with sonar. So if you're watching this and you're interested in doing that in and around Ohio, let me know, man. I'll try to get your contact information or something. We'll start pulling cars. Yeah, that'll be hard work, but so is this. So just, you know, do something interesting though. I don't know what this stuff is. There's a lot of it. I think they knew I was coming because they kind of buried it. This sure is a lot of metal. It's all buried though, man. got just about everything we're gonna get out of here. Almost. And we could move all that. Yeah, that's a lot of work. If I had a trailer, I think I would work harder for this, but man, it ain't gonna be worth it, man. So we're just gonna take what we got here, try to throw it in the truck, and probably head back to Kenton. Try to find the best way out of here. Lucky I didn't step on that in this rain, and I would have went straight on my butt. We're gonna spin this truck around here. He'll load it up. There you go. So that's all the stuff we got out of that dumpster. It's kind of like a load. We'll see if we got any more here. Oh, fuck it. Oh, it's metal. There. Got like some sort of stereo or something. Let's see if we can get it in there better. So that way somebody else doesn't have a stereo in their face. Ooh, what do we got here, yo? Got another chair. Oh yeah. Got some tires. They ain't supposed to be in there. Can't get rid of them. What are you doing, son? Got a cord here. What is it connected to? I don't know. Sensi? Oh, one of them things. Got some bed rails. If we can fit them. There we go. This one might be able to go in here, maybe. Oh, yep. There we go. I think we're almost done for the day, yo. We just gotta get this thing off of here, maybe. And then there's some other apartment places around here I might hit up since I'm already here. But I'm gonna start getting this truck up out of here. Alright, yeah, so we got the chair loaded up, all tied down. I don't know, man, we can still get some more small stuff on here, but there's some bigger apartment places down the road. I don't know if we're gonna check them out or not, man. So yeah, man, we're gonna hopefully get out of here soon. It's getting late.